In real estate, people decide how they feel about you in the first 7 seconds, long before price, comps, or credentials. Most agents bank on the pitch. The truth is, the meeting is shaped by the first moments. If you work your SOI or meet new clients, those seconds quietly determine whether people lean in or tune out. Today, I'll show a simple way to make those moments work for you on Zoom, at the door, or an open house, so the rest of the conversation flows. If this helps, please like and subscribe. To make those seconds count, let's first look at why they carry so much influence. Before we change anything, it helps to see how those early moments quietly set the default mood for everything that follows. People make quick reads. In the first moments, they notice your face, tone, posture, and pace, and that first read sets the mood. Open or guarded. When it starts open, questions flow and ideas land. When it starts guarded, every point has to push uphill. That's why a good start saves time and energy for both sides. Now that the goal is clear, start open, let's line up a simple sequence that helps that happen on purpose. Think of your opening like a small two-step, ease first, direction right after. Begin in a way that lets shoulders drop, then add a short note that shows where the conversation is headed. When you do it in that order, people relax and follow along. With the sequence set, let's zoom in on what people actually notice in those first seconds. Early on, a few simple signals do most of the work. People look at your face for warmth, your eyes for contact, your posture for steadiness, your voice for clarity, and your energy for intent. When those feel aligned, the room stops guessing and starts listening. Now let's drop these signals into everyday moments so you can see where they help the most. Here are the places where a clean start pays off fast. Zoom intro. The first frame sets the tone. Greet simply, then say what you're here to cover. Open house greeting. The first step in the door determines whether people stay, welcome them, and give them space. Voicemail to a new lead. The first line makes the keep or delete call. Keep it steady and helpful. Listing appointment at the door. The greeting carries the meeting. Thank them, then hint at the plan. Alongside those wins, a few small habits can quietly work against you, so let's clear them out. These are easy to spot and easy to fix. Talking first without making room, stepping on someone's sentence, letting your phone compete for attention, explaining more than needed, and pushing when curiosity would move things faster. Each one makes people pull back, trim them, and conversations feel lighter. If the opening already wobbled, there's a straightforward way to steady it and move on. When the first moments don't land, a small reset helps the rest of the meeting. Name the bump, invite what matters to them, and slow your pace a touch. Most people appreciate the reset and give you a clean slate. Even better, you can prevent most bumps with a quick pre-meeting reset. Right before you greet someone, take half a minute to arrive so your first moments do the heavy lifting for you. 30 seconds is enough to change how you show up. In that brief pause, the last task stops echoing, your face settles, your voice evens out, and your pace shifts from rushed to intentional. The payoff is immediate. Your opening line sounds clear instead of cramped, the other person's shoulders drop instead of rise, and the whole conversation starts smoother. Use this window in the natural breaks your day already gives you, right before the camera turns on, outside a door before you knock, or as you walk up to an open house. If you want a complete walkthrough with prompts and reps, that deeper practice is available inside Roadmap to Success online courses. A quick reset before the greeting is excellent, and it sticks when you keep a simple rhythm each week. Lasting skill comes from light, steady reps. Do a few short openings regularly, review how they feel, and check in once a week. The aim isn't polish, it's comfortable and consistent, so the strong start becomes your default. With that rhythm in place, let's wrap with one clear takeaway and your next step. By the time you start talking, the first 7 seconds have already set the tone, so make them count. Open in a way that welcomes people in, then point the conversation where it needs to go, and you'll see cycles shorten, referrals grow, and objections soften. If this brought value, please like, subscribe, and share it with a teammate. For the complete playbook, scripts, sequences, and practice drills, look inside Roadmap to Success online courses. Next up, we'll build on this with simple storytelling and everyday behaviors that keep trust strong from first hello to closing. Roadmap to Success for Real Estate Agents online courses.